Have you ever been locked out of a bathroom? Because here at West High, lately, a lot of the bathrooms have been getting locked because there's graffiti in them. So we spoke with some West High students to see how they feel about. Have you ever been locked out of a bathroom?
Yes.
How many times?
Probably like 10 or 12. Many times.
How does it make you feel?
Well, quite sad, because usually I actually have to go to the bathroom. And when you're on the 4th floor and you have to go down to the 2nd floor, that's a bit of a struggle.
The cheer bathrooms over by the cheer lockers are locked like every single day.
How did that make you feel?
It was really annoying, and yeah, it wasn't fun.
Upset because I had to walk all the way across campus just to use the bathroom.
I hate it. I don't like being locked out of the bathroom. I'm just trying to pee, bro.
It's scary.
Yeah. I don't like it.
Yeah. Annoyed because I gotta find another one.
Mostly on the 3rd and 4th floor. It kind of gets me mad and stressed out because then I have to go all the way downstairs, or I have to go all the way upstairs and then take more time, and then I have to come in late, and it kind of gets me mad a little.
What would you tell kids doing the graffiti?
I would just say maybe if you really do doing that, maybe in an art book, but not the walls, because you're losing bathroom privileges. But yeah, no, it's a great creative outlet if you do it correctly. Besides that, please don't vandalize. It takes the custodians a lot of hours to clean it up. Obviously, that means bathroom privileges gets taken away. And ultimately, it could end up being you could get charged for it because you are vandalizing school property, which obviously we hope you don't do it, but it has been a daily problem that it's starting to be, getting annoying.
So what should you do if you see somebody doing graffiti in the bathrooms or anywhere else on campus? Tell an administrator, teacher, or student advocate. Use the Safe UT app to report it, or ask them to stop, because it's not cool. This has been Sierra Bands with TV West. It's open.
Hello, West High students. So as some of you may know, prom is coming up on Saturday, May 7th. And some of you might not have dates, me included. And I have some ideas for you to ask out your dates. Idea number 1. Get a poster with a minion on it and tell them you are one in a minion. Or get a poster and write, "It would be despicable of me not to ask you to go to prom with me." Idea number 2. Get a solo cup and write, "Don't let me go solo. Do you want to go to prom?" And idea number 3. Get some Chick-fil-A and ask them if they will be your chick for prom. And those are just 3 of the ideas that I had for ways to ask people to prom. And I guarantee you can come up with many more great ideas. This has been Isaac from TV West. Good luck, and ask your dates before they get snatched.
Today we decided to ask West High U.S. trivia. Alright, what year was Bush Sr. nominated?
1998.
Nah, it's in the 80s.
Oh, 86?
88.
Oh, so close.
Alright, who's the 44th president of the United States?
Obama.
Yeah. What year did World War II end?
Oh, 1945?
Yeah. Alright, this is an easy one. What year did World War II end?
1945.
Yeah. I'm here with the woman's pet, the man's regret. Alright, what year did World War II end?
1982.
Bro, it's in the 40s.
I know.
What year?
1940.
40 what?
45.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you know who the 44th president of the U.S. is? Or was?
Donald J. Trump.
Nah, before that.
Damn. Obama.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Alright, do you know who the 44th president was?
Wasn't it Obama?
Yeah. See?
Yes, sir.
It's easy. What year did World War II end?
To be honest, I don't know.
I'll give you hints in the 40s.
Like 17 17. No, like 18. No, 1748, something like that.
No, like in the 1940s.
Like 1941.
What year did World War II end?
I think 1960 something. No.
Nah, it's in the 40s.
Oh, 1945.
We learned this recently. What year did JFK get assassinated?
1963.
Yeah, that's easy. Who was the 42nd president?
I believe it was George Bush. Not George W. Bush, George H.W. Bush.
I could be wrong.
I believe it was Bill Clinton. Who's the 45th president?
Oh, no, it's not Obama. Donald Trump?
Yeah. What year did the Korean War end?
Isn't it still going on?
Yeah. Let's see. Who's the 44th president of the U.S.?
Barack Obama.
This? Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
What year was JFK assassinated?
1988, somewhere around.
Nah, it's in the 60s.
1963.
You know what year JFK was assassinated?
No.
You want to take a guess?
Probably like way back then, like the 1800s.
Nah. 1900.
1927.
Nah, 60s.
Oh, 1963. Yeah, I knew that.
And who was the 43rd president?
43rd? Bill Clinton?
No.
Who was president for Obama? I forgot.
George W. Bush.
I think of course.
Oh, what year was Bill Clinton elected as president?
My history, man, it's just not there. 20.
It's in the 90s. It's in the 90s. Where did the 2002 Winter Olympics take place?
Here.
Yeah. How'd you know?
I don't know.
Where did the 2002 Winter Olympics take place?
Salt Lake City, right?
What year was JFK assassinated?
Oh, I learned this yesterday. 1978. No. 1984.
Nah, come on, we learned this yesterday.
Tough. 1978.
1963.
Oh, I knew that.
Who's the 44th president? 44th.
Obama.
Yeah. What year was JFK assassinated?
2000.
2000? What? Alright, what year did World War II end?
1945.
Yeah.
You feel me? Come on, 2 for 2.
Do you happen to know what year JFK was assassinated?
1963.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What year was the Declaration of Independence signed?
1776.
You didn't want to disappoint Mr. Harper, huh?
Yeah, we can't disappoint Mr. Harper.
Oh yeah, who replaced JFK?
His vice president.
Yeah. Just say his initials.
I don't know his initials.
Just think about the GOAT.
LB.
You're missing one letter.
LBJ.
Alright, what year was JFK assassinated?
1963.
World War II, 1945.
Yeah.
Boom.
That's all I have.
Boom, bro. I know about history.
This has been Francisco from TVOS, signing off.